Hi, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the exhaustive testing and optimal testing. Very important concept. Exhaustive testing and optimal testing. What is exhaustive testing? Generally, what your assumption, any application given to you, we need to test the application completely. Different ways we have to test the application. We are going to assume or not. Same thing, exhaustive testing. Validating application with all possible scenarios, all possible combinations and permutations is called exhaustive testing. Validating application with all possible scenarios is called exhaustive testing. Let us take a scenario here. In application registration form, we have username input object which accepts 4 to 60 characters with alphanumeric. Now I want to test this username edit box first with 4 characters size of string. Using only alphabet I want to test. What are the combinations we are going to get? Can you assume it? First character alphabet if I use. How many alphabets are there? 26. So 1 A to Z means 26 combination. One set. Second character also A to Z. Third character also A to Z. Fourth character also A to Z. If I go like this, how many combination? Only 4 character string means 56 multiply 56 multiply 56 multiply. This many permutations are available to test the only that input object with 4 character string. Now 4 to 16 characters, different combinations you want to test, you will have the huge amount of data. So these values you want to use to test your user weight box. What will happen is it will take the more time and expensive it is, right? There's a problem. If I go for the exhaustive testing, exhaustive testing is time consuming and expensive. Expensive means it will take more than development cost, which is not preferable. Exhaustive testing is impractical and impossible. Then, how to overcome this? For this purpose, we have the second approach optimal testing. Optimal testing. Validating application with the best possible scenarios. That means best permutations and combinations is called optimal testing. In present scenario, we prefer optimal testing only. We have to go for optimal testing only. How we can go for this optimal testing? As per the software testing principle says that exhaustive testing is impractical. So we have to go for optimal testing only. Best possible ways we have to test the application. Then how we can achieve best test coverage to perform optimal testing? For this purpose only, the concept is called testing methodologies we have to learn. Whoever go into the testing, they have to understand the testing methodologies. With help of those methodologies, we can go for the optimal testing so that we can give the best test coverage. What are those? White box testing. White box testing. This white box testing will give some techniques. So developers generally use the whiteboard testing techniques to validate the source code of the application. Second one is a black box testing. So these blackboard testing techniques are used by separate testing team like us to test the application in optimal way. The third one, gray board testing, it is a combination of white box testing techniques and blackboard testing techniques. But how we can go for the optimal testing is with the help of these testing methodologies. The next session we are going to find the about these testing methodologies more detailed way. Okay. This, please subscribe the channel Madhukar QIT. If you need any material, send the mail to me, madhukarqit@gmail.com. I will send the corresponding notes. Which topic you require, you can send a mail to me so that I can send the material to you. Thank you.